So what's good, guys? So today I'm gonna make a video of like me filling up my gas tank. It's so low right now, so I'll show you how much it costs. But man, this shit looks so pretty right now. It got 43 miles on the tank, and yeah, let's see how much it costs. I have to use 91 for this car because yeah, that's the minimum I can use. So yeah, so I shouldn't be even on sports, bro. So let me know what videos I should make next, because honestly I got barely any ideas, bro. Usually I just go to the car wash, make a POV drive rant like a regular one, or yeah, first time doing the filling up my gas tank. So yeah, give me some more recommendations. I don't know. Let's see if y'all can hear this. Get the carbon fiber dash right here. Let's go in comfort actually, because I don't want to waste it just sitting on the red light. You got red wine seats right here, leather. I mean, you got it's just perfect. You got the ambient lighting, but it's daytime, you can't see it. It's like under here. I don't know. Also, let me know down below if y'all happy that Trump won or no, or you sad that Kamala lost. Let me know. I'm not gonna lie, I'm happy Trump won, bro, because these gas prices finally gonna be fixed. We'll see today if it's already fixed. He's not even in office yet. Let's see if it's fixed already. Like, it's cheap already. I need that shit back to $2, bro. I just took my pre-workout. After I fill up the gas tank, I'm gonna go to the gym. So yeah. Hey, let me know if y'all want a gym POV as well, bro. Do some biceps as well. So much traffic, bro. Holy shit. Yeah, sorry. Fuel level. Yeah. Alpina B8 right there. Holy shit. I have not seen it. It's like an M8, but like the nicer version. I think I might fill up these tires as well, bro. They're down low. It's like 5.3 right now. See, right now it's showing up. It's at $5.3 for 91. So yeah, I'll get back to y'all once I'm done. Thank God we got Trump elected, bro. This shit finna go down, bro. Holy shit. Shit making me broke. Alright, so I'm gonna head to the gym. Bro, I just got back from the gym and listen to this, alright? I'm gonna shift this shit. Listen how loud this shit is. Damn, bro, I just lost traction. But yeah, damn, bro. Holy shit, it's sliding, bro.